Big Yellow. Big Yellow is a homeless shelter for wayward thoughts, for images and ideas, for songs made of slippery voices, for patchwork stockings, stories that need the boxy space the rooms provide under the gaze of delicate window moldings and immersed in the whispery shadow of Victorian lamplight. Big Yellow squeezes juice from every syllable. Juice that bounces off preposterously high ceilings and pea soup walls. These spat out bones are lucky enough to spend the evening, lucky enough to warm hands over open hearts, to be taken in and desired, to embrace and be embraced, before leaving for the open road once more, where all wild things eventually end up. Beneath stars, in campgrounds by rivers, and on grainy beaches, among a maze of hanging laundry near open fires, our spat-out bones dream of Big Yellow. We bathe in muddy rain and river waters, watch our breath, and crouch under highways and in the tall corn near dumpsters and concrete truck docks, dreaming still of Big Yellow.